In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Capcut on Android. This process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing is to locate the Google Play Store on your phone. So for me, it is right there on my main screen. I'm going to tap on the Google Play Store. Then you'll see the search bar at the top over here. In the search bar, you just want to type Capcut, just like that, and then hit search. And then you want to tap on Capcut once you find it. Now you can see for me it says uninstall and update. Here's the update button right there. To update it, just tap on it once. That will begin downloading the update. And then once the update is finished downloading, it will install the update automatically. So I'll just give that a moment to finish. So it's just quickly downloading the update. It's about 24 megabytes, so it is not too big, but you want to make sure that you're on a Wi-Fi connection when you download updates to save your data. So now we can see it's automatically installing the update of Capcut Video Editor. And once that's finished, the button that says open will go from gray to green, just like that. Then I can tap on open, and there you can see I can now begin creating a new project or editing my previous videos in Capcut. So that is how you update Capcut on Android. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.